In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble Toyogo 6-tier single shoe rack. Before we begin, open up the package. Inside the package, these are the items you will find. Starting off with the base layer, install the fitting tubes to all 4 corners on the top side. Before we proceed to the underside, take note to line the installed fitting tubes perpendicular to the ground. On the lower end of the slope is where the stoppers are installed, and vice versa of the wheels. Once done, it should look like this. Proceeding to the middle compartment, install the fitting tubes to all 4 corners of the compartment top side. You will need to repeat this step another 3 more times. On our last and final compartment, install the hook covers to all 4 corners on the top side. Lastly, let's assemble all the compartments together. Line up the fitting tubes to the connectors and gently tap the corners to secure them in place. Take note that during installation, ensure all compartments are facing the same direction. Repeat this step until it is finished. And with that, Toyogo 6-tier single shoe rack is now completed. Lightweight and durable, space-saving with its sleek design. Built with multi-purpose usage, it is easy to fix and long-lasting. Great for organization or storage users. Thank you for watching.
Toyogo, we cater to all your needs.